Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math. Question 23. At Lily's birthday party, there are 90 children, and there were 10 more girls than boys. Express the number of boys as a percentage of the number of girls. 90 children girls and boys. It's quite easy for us to know that number of girls must be 50 and boys 40. In that case, there were 10 more girls than boys. Alright, quite easy to find these two numbers. And here we come to the percentage. Boys over number of girls. 40 over 50 times 100%, 80%. Answer 80%. This question is quite easy. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.